guys, and welcome back. Guess what happened last night? The Tabernatus Gigas decided to make an exact after all. That's great news. As I promised, I would make an update if she made one. Yeah. Uh, the exact is right here. You can't see that much, so she whipped it all up. But yeah, she is sitting here. Don't know if you can see it better from this side. Not that much. But so she was onto something in there. Yeah. Well, I will make an update when I take the exact in about a month or so. So, yep. That was just a little update. I will leave her in peace and quiet. So, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.